This is the new Dust-Right mountable dust hood, and it might look very similar to dust hoods you've seen before, but I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why this one is so much better. First, my favorite upgrade is more mounting options. Look at all these different holes. The old dust hoods had very few, if any, holes for mounting, and no way to mount them to a base. The new dust hood features 18 pre-drilled mounting holes and a bottom flange for mounting or clamping to a work table or tool. Number 2, it's compatible with other Dust-Right fittings. The new mountable dust hood is a perfect fit for the quick change handle. Other dust hoods don't fit. And the new mountable dust hood features the same offset as the ready mount fitting system, so you can use them together and everything stays in line. Number 3, this removable grate. It catches large cutoffs and scraps to keep them from getting through to the dust collector's fan. There's no grate on the other dust hoods. Well, there you have it. The new mountable dust hood looks similar to these old dust hoods, but with all of these upgrades and added features, it sets it apart from the rest.